And this is a massive cheat code for my online business owners. If you are someone creating content to drive sales from social media to your business, this is for you. Study what large brands are doing. Pay attention. As someone who worked in digital marketing for a large franchise for years, and it was a franchise of a global brand, like billions of dollars of sales a year. These companies pay a lot of money to do market research. They pay a lot of money for trends. They pay a lot of money for people and analysts that do all of this work. So if you stay up to date with what they're doing, even as a personal brand, even as a small business owner, it can be powerful and a lot of knowledge for you at little to no cost. So I'll give you an example of this, and then I'm gonna tell you how to do it. So a few months ago, like April, May, a lot of large brands that we know and we love and we trust started reducing their ad spend on TikTok. With the US bill to sell it off still in play, these companies were going ahead and preparing. They're going to put that money somewhere else. Target reduced its ad spend by 30%. DoorDash reduced its ad spend by 25%. Procter & Gamble by 10%. And these companies aren't going out of business. They're doing fine. They're just going to take that money and put it on a platform they can have more trust in for longevity. Now, we don't know what's going to happen with the TikTok bill. I mean, I stay up to date on it, but I don't want to stress about it. At the same time, increasing your reliance on a platform that may or may not exist in a couple months could be problematic. Now, I'm not a political person, but obviously the election will have a lot to do with this as well. So let me give you some super simple tips to study these big brands. The information will come right to your email every day. You're not going to spend a lot of time scrolling for it. And take 5 minutes to read through it, just like you would read the news. 1, go to Google Alerts. Set up alerts on all the platforms you're on. Set up alerts on big brands that you want to follow. But every single day, I get an email from Google Alerts about Facebook, about Instagram, about Twitter, about TikTok, and it shows me the highest ranking things on Google that day for that platform. I skim it. If I see something interesting, I open it. There's also a website called socialmediatoday.com. I like that website because it filters it by platform as well. And then it also has an area where you can see like the top 5 news things for social media today. But it's easy to read. It's reliable information. And they have a newsletter too that you can sign up for where it comes right to your inbox every day so you don't have to remember to go to the website. But competitor analysis and studying market trends will get you so much further in your online business than you can imagine. This has to be part of your marketing plan. Now, if you have no idea how to create a marketing plan or you don't even know what I'm talking about, this would be a good time to go to my IG and check out the highlight that says challenge, because I've got an upcoming live challenge that is starting on September 16th, and I'm going to teach you how to build your business's marketing plan from scratch.